And I said, hey, give me the lowdown on what this company does and the services they offer, but tell it to me. I'm an entrepreneur. I don't know anything about this kind of stuff, what they're doing. So break it down.
Yeah, keep the jargon out of it.
Keep the jargon. And so, that was the first part. It's just great. Very obvious, kind of broke it down. I said, okay, cool. And so I got a handle on it. And then I went back to the individual's account and I went to Grok and I said, compare these two accounts and tell me what this person is this person selling this product correctly? And Grok said no. And it was very interesting. And Grok said, I'll give you a breakdown of what because they base their no on the success of this person's engagement.
Okay. All right.
Trying to sell this product and trying to do work for this business. And Grok, said, okay, here's how they could be doing a better job. And so I was able to break down just a complete detailed deep dive into thousands of posts that the company had made.
Yeah.
And then hundreds, maybe 1,000 posts that the salesperson had made. And I was able to find a disconnect between what each account was doing. And Grok offered up and said, here's how to connect these two messages. Here's how to bring it together. Here's how to portray it in a way that's not overly complicated. And so when I had the call, which was this morning, I was just so much more prepared because I had learned the basic stuff that the AI would do. Tell me about this company, yada, yada, yada. But it also did this, and I didn't really ask it to do it, but it showed me here, this is this disconnect between the message here and the message here. And when I portrayed that to my client, it was shocking. And when they were like, oh yeah, you're right. I'm not explaining that part of it. I'm not, they weren't leaning into the true value proposition. And I don't want to be specific.
No.
It would be
you
a
don't need to
argument,
be.
But I can't be specific.
Well, you've made the argument, at least to me here, that, we've been talking this whole episode about what AI is good at and what it's not good at.
Yes.
And one of the things it's great at is looking at a massive set of data and synthesizing, summarizing even what it does. And then you took two summaries, essentially, right? A summary of one account with a certain focus and another, and the same focus on this other account, and related the two and compared the two. And these are the things that AI currently is, A, it's great at it, and B, even if it wasn't great at it, it's fast at it. Dude, and so you're able to look at the results, and you using your human, your wet mind, your wet computer there, able to say, yes, this is correct. Or you might look at it and say, please take a look at this again and let me nudge you in a different direction here.
Right.
That didn't seem like it was the case with yours, but in a general sense, that might be what you would have had to do if it had gotten off track or something.
That's right.
Yeah.
And when I did it and I got those results that were really powerful, and then I presented them in a way that I thought was easier to kind of
to digest,
to Grok, if you will.